A whole lot of people caused me pain and agony last year. I will not take that. Hey guys, welcome back, welcome again. This is Kartia Velino. Let me adjust myself. We are in the new year. Right guys, if you have not subscribed, please click that red button to subscribe. Today I want to share my vision for 2020 with you guys. We are still in January, the first week of 2020. I am so happy that 2019 came and passed away. This is a brand new year, the beginning of the new century, right? I believe I'm getting it right. I am a brand new Kartia Velino. Let me tell you guys something. Just in case, 2019, like I said, was I come out here in the camera, I pretend to be tough, to be strong. People really dealt with me in 2020. Let me tell you, this is the vision of 2020. If I don't call you, don't call me. If I don't send you a message, don't send me a message back. Let me tell you, people really used me in the year of 2020. People that really know me know that I am good to a fault. And sometimes when you're good, people use your goodness as your witness. It's not going to happen this year. My new vision for 2020, somebody has left me a message and asked me, this is somebody that really know me, that knew what I went through with some people that surrounded or supposedly be the people that are close to me, what they did to me. Velino, I will block you. I will not call you. Even though before now, I had no friends. And I'm proud to say that, because I don't have a whole lot of friends, because you find out that people that are not in the same chapter in life with you, they draw you back, they infuse and they inject stagnation in your life. It is not going to work in this year. I will block you. Are the few people that I will call. If I don't call you, don't call me. If I don't send you a message, don't send me back. I have grown to learn that when you are nice, people use that as your witness. Don't come to me. I don't want to know. I don't want to hear what people are saying about me, what people think about me, what I think about other people. This is not the year. This is the beginning of the new century. I am not interested. If I don't call you, who give a hoot? Go fuck yourself. If I don't call you, don't call me. Don't call me. Don't send me a message to tell me what people think about me. And you know the funny thing, I will not even tell you. I will not have time to come out and tell you, you know what, you did this the other time to me, and I really don't like that. If you see that I don't return your calls, I block you. I don't need that time. I don't have enough time in 2020. 2020 is a new chapter. It's a new edge for us to revolve, to take a look at what happened to us in 2019 and try to fix our life. I have come out with a new positive affirmation. If I don't come to you, don't come to me. I have come to realize that it's better for me to know where people place me in their life. Sometimes I think that I cross the boundaries. I try to be where that I am not expected. I try to be Mrs. Good, Miss Kartia Velino, Mother Teresa. This year I have learned that I will place boundaries where they belong. If you don't ask me, I will not even ask you questions. That's the beginning. If I don't ask you, please don't explain anything to me. I will not be interested in your life. I will not be interested in your personal life. If you don't value me, if you're out there and you don't give me if you're out there and you don't lift me up and you don't give me the extensive happiness that will give me orgasm, you know what? You don't want that for me. I can only talk to people who will lift up my vibe, who will make me happy, I like to hear the things that, you know what I'm talking about. So the way that I'm coming out this year is a totally different Kartia Velino for 50 years of my life. Things has changed. It's not going to be the same. People come to compete with you for different reasons that you're not even aware of. People pretend to be your friends. They are not even your friends. They're coming to see how things are working for you. And then at the back of their mind, in the back of their head, they are praying for your downfall, and they come in disguise. They wear that coat of friendship. However, they are coming to mock you, to see your downfall. You know what? It is not going to happen this year. This is my vision for 2020. You take a step back, I take a step back, I look at everything that has happened to me in my entire life of 2019 from January to December, and things has to change. Sometimes it's better for you to walk alone because truth is bitter. Truth is bitter. So this is going to be a brand new evolution for Kartia Velino. Please do not call me to tell me what people think or saying about me. I am not interested. I am definitely not interested. If you're not calling me to lift me up, to tell me positive things, to tell me how, the thing ears want to hear to get me to my climax, don't worry about calling me. Even if I see your text coming by, I will block you. And I know how to send people messages on WhatsApp while they are still typing to return back to me. I will block them. Don't come to my Instagram to leave negative comments. I will not condone that. A whole lot of fingers has been pointed. Kartia Velino, the name Kartia Velino does not leave some people's mouth. So leave Kartia Velino alone. This year is going to be a brand new year altogether. I will block you. I will not owe you any explanation, and I will not even care to explain to your friend, your sister, your uncle, your brother, your friends what you did. I will just block you and mute you, because 24 hours is not even enough time for me to do what I want to do. So my vision for 2020 is straightforward out there. So guys, sorry to sound this way. This is just my vision for 2020. Positive affirmation. Let's keep the ball rolling. I am here to give you lots of fun and entertainment. So guys, subscribe, share the video if you understand what I'm talking about. So share your thoughts and comments down below. Let's keep the conversation going. So New Year resolution, New Year commitment is nip up those people, those cancer around you, and keep your eyes on the ball. Stay focused, because the bigger fish is yet to be fried. So let me leave you guys here. See you guys in my next video. Bye.